Stop buying noodles outside because this homemade stir fry is about to change your life. Today I'm making this quick and super delicious noodles stir fry using aroma seasoning, and trust me, the flavor is everything. You will love this recipe so much. So all you have to do is to trust the process. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so I started by boiling my noodles for just a few minutes. You know, noodles doesn't take a lot of time to cook, so approximately 2 to 3 minutes it should be ready. Now I have my water already on fire and I'm going to add my noodles to it. Moving forward, I'll go in with some dark soy sauce. I'll stir everything together very nicely. Now cover the pot and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and afterwards we will come back to check on it again. Now we are back. The noodles is doing absolutely fine. The aroma alone is just amazing. We're going to give it a quick stir. At this point it's ready, so let's set it aside and then proceed to our next stage. But if you want to stop the cooking process, add cold water to it, allow it to sit for a while, then strain out the water and you are good to go. Now to a different cooking pot, I'll go in with some cooking oil. Allow the oil to heat up a little bit, then go in with some sausages. Allow it to fry until it's crispy and also golden brown. So we're going to fry until it's nice and perfect. At this point, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. Now that we have achieved the perfect color, I'll go in with some eggs. I'm using 2 eggs for this recipe. You can use any amount of your choice and you are good to go. I'll scramble the eggs together with the sausages and then allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Moving forward, I'll go in with some vegetables of choice. I'll be using cucumber, carrots, and also onions. I'll stir fry or toast it on low heat until it's nice and ready. Moving forward, I'll add some sardines as well. You can omit it totally, but it's also going to add an amazing taste and flavor to the stir fry. Now I'll go in with some aromat, shrimp seasoning, and also the bouillon tablet. This gives the noodles that rich, tasty flavor that makes every bite so good. At this point, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video with your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. I also added a little chili for some heat and a bit of soy sauce or oyster sauce to give the noodles that delicious stir fry color and flavor. Everything already looks so beautiful and smelled absolutely incredible. After that, I added my cooked noodles into the pan. I gently toast everything together so every strand of noodles could absorb all the delicious flavors from the vegetables. I added more vegetables to it. You can also adjust to your taste and you are good to go. This recipe is perfect for lunch, dinner, lazy day cooking days, or even late night cravings because it comes together so quickly and tastes better than takeout. One thing I really love about this recipe is how simple ingredients can create something so delicious. And honestly, aroma seasoning makes a huge difference in this stir fry because it brings all the flavors together beautifully. Serve your noodles hot and enjoy every single bite because trust me, this recipe will quickly become one of your favorites. And if you love easy homemade recipes like this, don't forget to try this noodle stir fry at home because it's simple, affordable, and incredible delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Don't forget as well to use aroma seasoning anytime you are making noodle stir fry. And until next time, keep cooking with love and stay blessed. Thank you and see you in my next upload. Bye.
We're making magic every day.